Get ready, homes across Queensland are about to ignite with the twinkling of millions of Christmas lights. But for many, the real shock comes in the new year when the power bill arrives.
'Tis the season to be jolly and to go a little crazy lighting up the home.
We certainly do like to put on a bit of a show.
But this year, the electricity Grinch has struck at the Smith household.
We're considering actually cutting back a bit, just, for the sake of the power bill.
5 strings of LED fairy lights running every night will add around $10 a month to your power bill. Older style lights will cost you 8 times as much.
These new LED type lights, they don't get as hot, they are safe at 12 volts and they're much, much cheaper to run.
You'd think then Jeff Florence's festive tribute would cost him a small fortune. It's actually not racking up a cent.
Not a thing in my whole yard is plugged into any power.
Jeff runs a solar lights business with just 6 hours in the sun.
They run the lights for 15 hours continuous.
After an initial cost of around $550 for a display like this, there's no more to pay. Streets like this one in Tingalpa are popping up all over the place, and while the lights do look incredible, they can sometimes be dangerous. A number of products have already been recalled, pulled from the shelves of our most popular retailers. 18 types of lights sold at Woolworths, Big W and Masters were found to be an electric shock or fire hazard. They're listed at recalls.gov.au. Your old lights and equipment too should be checked.
Don't use double adapters, use power boards. Keep them well away from anything that might melt. If in doubt, chuck them out.
Simon Ward, 9 News.